developments in the case of retired Tampa police captain Curtis Reeves, who shot and killed a man at a Wesley Chapel movie theater earlier this year. Our Cameron Polam is live outside the courtroom in Pasco County with what happened within the past hour. Cameron?
Yeah, that's right. I'm outside Dade City Courthouse, where a judge has reset the pretrial date to July 9th. At that point, he will rule on a trial date for this trial. We also had him release the discovery file to the public, which is a thing that we were wondering about as well this morning. We also have heard that his attorneys announced today that Reeves will waive his right to a speedy trial. Now, for more on that, I'm going to pull in Jeff Swartz. He's a professor at Thomas M. Cooley School of Law. Tell me, what does it mean and what are the strategies behind waiving his right to a speedy trial?
Well, every defendant has the right to a speedy trial, that is within 6 months of the date that they're arrested. In this particular case, Mr. Escobar has a case set for trial in Orlando in June, which is at the end of that period for Mr. Reeves. He just doesn't have the time to prepare for two complex cases before Mr. Reeves' time runs out.
Will we see a lot of those depositions go on during that time?
All those depositions will take place. They'll all be set. All the discovery will take place, all the transcripts will be prepared, and all the experts will be aligned, and their reports will be furnished to each of the attorneys.
Releasing the discovery file seemed a pretty easy decision for both parties today. Why was that?
Well, all that is important has already been released, in particular the video. Now that the video's out there in the public, I think that the defense sees that people are looking at it more in Mr. Reeves' light, and I think they want to try this case in the court of public opinion before they ever get into a courtroom itself.
We also heard from Mr. Reeves' attorney that they will be going through an appeal process to try and get him out of jail.
Well, at the original bond hearing, he was held without bond. The only process to go through now is to seek a writ of habeas corpus in the 2nd District Court of Appeals, getting that court to decide that this trial judge did not have enough evidence to hold Mr. Reeves without bond and ordering that he be put out on bond.
Hey, thank you very much, Jeff, for your time. We really appreciate it. That's the latest from Dade City Courthouse today. We'll continue to update you on this case throughout the day and on abcactionnews.com. For now, I'm Cameron Polam, ABC Action News.